Welcome back. It's now time for turn 3. Let's see what we got going on. So at this point, if we can think back to when we first mixed this and got the dough gathered up, we should be able to noticeably see that the dough has grown in volume. It's expanding. Each time we're doing these turns, it's also not slumping back down and filling the bottom of the bowl quite as much in that half-an-hour window. And where it meets the bowl, there's kind of a nice curve, just meaning that it's not slumping down and getting to a flat, the surface of the dough doesn't go straight into the bowl. We have the surface and it sort of curves in. So it's just letting us know that we're building some structure and some strength into our dough. Let's see, if we shake the bowl, there's a little bit of wiggle at this point. It's just another way to gauge how far along our dough is, how much gas is built up. And at this point, we have turn 3, this one we're gonna do, and then one more, turn 4. And as we get further along, the dough's getting a little bit more delicate with the gas building up. So we just wanna also treat it with a little bit less aggressive coiling. So I've got my hands wet. The dough is starting to release from the bowl a little bit easier each time as it's becoming more and more cohesive to itself. And a little bit more water. I'm going to do that coil fold once again. Turn my bowl. And let's see if I can get one more. It is starting to get a little bit tense. So again, I'm going to lift, and I have this flap down here. So I can actually stick that on the bottom and then kind of force the rest of the coil in there. So I stuck it down and then I a little bit rolled it into itself. So standing nice and proud, a little bit bigger each time. We'll come back in about half an hour for turn 4, which will be the last turn for this particular dough. Stay tuned.